Christmas. It's Tiffany here. Welcome and welcome back to my channel, Living Beautifully. So, like I said before, hope you all are having a Merry Christmas and a happy holiday season. I just wanted to come on really quick to share what I've gotten for Christmas so far. And let's go ahead and start with my Secret Santa gifts. So, my school, we did Secret Santa. You may have seen a video. I'll put a link up here or something. We used Elfster to have a Secret Santa. Even though we're not in our school building, we could still participate in Secret Santa fun. So let's see what I got. So the first thing that I got, and I can't wait to use it, is this. It is it's a light curtain, and for some reason I just really wanted it, and I'll set it up in the background later. But it's a light curtain that I can have, like I said, in the background when I'm doing my videos and my distance teaching, my distance teaching. Just a few days off a break and I already can talk. Alright, yeah, that's that. And next is, this. Next is this. You're probably wondering, what in the world is that? This is a stand for my laptop, which will put my laptop at an angle. With the distance teaching, I have started getting problems in my wrist, carpal tunnel, to the point that I had gotten a little wrist brace to wear because the angle that I was typing at wasn't working. So when I saw this on Elfster, I said, oh, I want one of those. And so I got it. So it's like I really don't know which way it goes, but you can put your phone here and your laptop sits on here, and it'll hold it at an angle, whichever direction it works in. I'll figure that out later. Oh, maybe it goes like that. I just had an epiphany with you guys right here. Amazing. So maybe it sits like here. No, that doesn't work. I'll figure it out later. So that's that. And then from my wonderful students, they hooked me up with some gifts. They dropped the presents off at my school, which I greatly appreciated. They're so sweet. They all get A's. I'm kidding. But here's the first thing. Here is this. I had this nice bag from one of my students. So cute. And I got some wonderful Bath and Body Works gingham. You see? I had never tried this scent before, but it smells really, really good. I already sent them a thank you. Hopefully they'll see it soon. Nice. So that's that. That's from my students. And my other gift from another student of mine is here. She gave me this so I can have a sugar high, and this wonderful cup, which I plan to use shortly, and it says, teachers who love teaching teach children to love learning. You see? That is so cute. And it's, I don't know, it says you got this. And it's microwave safe and dishwasher safe. Just what I like. Nice top on it too, so keep my hot cocoa, hot apple cider, even some soup. You can keep that warm in there as well. So that's from my students. And what else did I get? Let's see. Oh, I got, now this is when you know you're old, when you're excited about slippers. So I got some slippers. It has a hard bottom on it so I can run from in the house to outside the house with my dogs. So yeah, I got that. And oh yeah, so the other thing that I got was another Fire Stick, because I'm going to put it on a couple of other TVs, because as you know from one of my other videos, my digit videos, I am cutting down debt and I'm considering getting rid of cable. So I just want to subscribe to internet, and then I can use the Fire Stick. So I got a Fire Stick. This is supposed to be the new one. We'll see how it works. So yeah, that's that. And I bought myself my new iPhone, and it's still in the box right now because I will be doing an unboxing video of it. I already painted my nails to match because I got the green one. So we'll see what that's like shortly. So that is my Christmas 2020 haul. I again hope you all are having a wonderful holiday season. This year has been the hardest like ever, but we made it. Still, as I always say, there's still much to be thankful for. So what did you guys get? Leave it in your comments, and how are you enjoying your holiday season? You can let me know all of that in the comments. I can't wait to hear it. Take care everyone, and have a happy holiday. Bye.